almost a mile and a half back in here. We're walking this ridge top like we were talking about. It ended up being 3 super fresh scrapes. I mean, they're just like completely pawed down. No leaves sitting on them or nothing. So we jumped up in a tree. Pretty dang high up in a tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real high.
And we're actually like directly above one of the scrapes. But it's super tight in here. I mean, any shot's gonna be close at all. I mean, 20 and in, 25 and in maybe. But we feel good about it. So, best sign we found all week. Last 2 hours of the trip. Chills all down my back.
Yeah. Somebody is screaming at the absolute top of their lungs over there.
Very not good obscenities to someone else. Right before that last gunshot, it sounded like a truck revving up or something, like in gravel, throwing gravel or something.
Yeah.
And then that gunshot was like, that one sounded like a rifle. That last one, all the other ones sounded like a handgun. That last one, like,
Could you make out a few things they were saying? It wasn't good.
Things we won't repeat on here, but it was like blood-curdling screaming. I've never witnessed anybody screaming like that.
Yeah.
Something not good's going on.
nearest house over there so we can call somebody whenever we get out of here. We ain't got any service in here, so can't call the police and tell them to go over there and see what the heck's going on, but sound like something off a dang horror movie over there. Pretty scary. Hoping nobody's getting killed or hurt over there.
That's what it sounds like.
Yeah.
I mean, when somebody says that they heard somebody screaming bloody murder, that's what that sounds like.
Yeah.
That's the most blood-curdling,
They're still yelling.
horrific screaming I've ever heard.
I mean, it sounds like a guy that's absolutely losing his mind over there. Completely. And maybe he shot somebody. That's the scariest thing I've ever heard. Pretty scary.
So we're gonna go ahead and get down. We got like a mile and a half walk out of here. All that stuff is just like 800-900 yards away. We're gonna get on down and get on out of here.
Vehicle just pulled up right down that way somewhere. The closest road is how far?
That way.
Yeah.
800 yards.
Yeah, that ain't very far.
Not at all.
If they decide to head for the hills, we're gonna be in the hills, so we're trying to get out of the hills.
We're trying to get out and we got a ways to go, so that's what we're gonna do. It just made me uneasy.